How to change background color on Instagram stories on iPhone. First of all, let's open the Instagram application and then tap your icon on the bottom of the screen. Once you're in your Instagram profile, click on the plus icon on the upper right corner. Tap on Story. Now select any photo from your gallery. Next, tap on the three dots and click on Draw. Go ahead and select any color you want to be your background color. Also, if your wanted shade is not on the options, you can click on the color picker here and select any color present on your photo. You can also long press on these colors to select the exact color that you want. After choosing your color, long press and the color will occupy your whole screen. Now you have a background. To add a photo to this, click on Sticker. Scroll down a little bit to find the sticker with the plus icon. Click on this and go ahead and select any photo you want to put on your story. Edit the position and size. And if ever you want to change the color again, click on the draw again, choose a color, and long press once again. The color will then be changed. So that is how you change the background color on Instagram stories. Do let us know if this video helped you out. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a great day.